Good day, everyone. We have this phone. This phone is coming from a very, very uh, angry customer. The customer is very disappointed. He went with the phone. The phone was some kind of water damage job. This was a water damage job. We went it to another cell phone repair shop. They blow up the phone. They clean everything. The phone is still not working. 2, 3, 4, 5 days, nearly a week. The customer took out the phone in pieces. I left the phone here for more than a week. Why didn't fix it? Why didn't call me that you can't fix it so that I'll move it? I'll take the next decision. Huh? That's the problem with most of technicians. When they failed to do the job, they don't notify clients in time. Huh? Whether you fix something or you fail to fix, it's very good to notify the customer so that the person will make his or her own decision in time. So the customer, 1.5 weeks, the phone was kept on a local cell phone repair shop. They couldn't manage to fix this phone, and the owner took it in pieces and come in for second attempt here. So you have to see what did he brought here. This is an Itel A04. We do have the customer's cable charger. Here we have to see. We have everything here. See the shields, the cameras, screws, everything is in pieces here. Everything is in pieces. We do have the motherboard here. I can't see any sign of water damage here because they cleaned the board already, but it's not working. So let's see if we can fix this phone. Plug in the battery. Let's put the charger here. Let's use the customer's cable. It's plugged and it's not taking any current here. You can see 4.97 volts, 00 amps. No current at all. That's the phone. Yeah. So let's see why. Obvious, if it's not charging, can be a battery problem. Let's check the battery. Battery voltage. Mostly, we don't have too many things to check on a cell phone. Battery voltage, 3.67. It's not kind of bad. Okay. So here, diode mode. We do have the battery connector here, plus, minus, and the middle pin. This is minus. The plus is beeping 0. The plus is beeping 0. This is the plus, 0 ohms. Minus, 0 ohms. It can't work like that. The plus should not be shorted to ground at any given time. So let's see on a microscope. Let's check again. The multimeter is still on screen. We have the battery, plus, minus, and the middle pin. Let's check the plus to ground. You see the plus is beeping. This is minus, 0. The plus also 0. So something is not right there. Power supply. What is taking that current? Whatever taking that current, that is our problem. We can come with 0.7, 2 volts, 2 volts, 2 volts, 2 amps. We need to see what is taking that current. Huh? On the plus. Let's see. What about this diode? Did you spot something? Just next to the plus. Power injected. Let's raise the current. Well, someone has to see this. Maybe here. Voltage 3 volts. 3 volts is even less than 5 volts, so we'll be safe. What do you think about that diode? This one? Huh? Again, power. The diode is dry already. I think that is our problem, this one. Huh? We took out the problem. Let's check again. Now the short is gone. The short is gone. We took out the diode and the short is gone. Let's dry the board and test. Uh, let's dry the motherboard. That's all what we have to do. Plug back the motherboard here. And the board is still very hot. So that diode was our problem. Let me use a blower to speed up the process. Let's see now. Do you have a working phone or not? That's what I want to know, whether this phone works or not. Let's see now. Let's see now. Charger plugged. We have the battery sign. You see the battery sign? And here is taking 450 and 12%. The phone is working, huh? On. Maybe can't. On. And the phone is on. So what we did, we opened the phone. We checked the phone. The phone was shorted on the 5 volts power line, on the plus. And what was the shorted is the diode next to the plus on the battery connector. I found many phones. You take out the diode and the phone will start work again. Because that diode is meant to protect the circuit in case of you spin plus and minus or anything happen, that diode goes on short. Even if we don't replace the diode, the customer still have protection. The phone will still be safe because the customer has protection on the charger. Okay? So there's no need to replace that diode. Our phone is working fine. You can see it's loading. No user password. Everything is working fine. So what I would do, I'll put all together, all the screws, all this metal shield to protect components against short. Yes, I have to put them back. And that's all. That was the repair. Huh? This is easy repair. Just taking out the diode and the phone will start working again. So, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also, share our videos to beloved friends and relatives, ex-boyfriends, ex-husband and wife. See you on the next one. Bye.